and welcome back to Calero Academy Lesson 3. Today, our problem states to us about time. Andy takes 4 hours to get from City 1 to City 2, while Barry takes 6 hours. If Andy and Barry depart from City 1 and City 2 respectively, when will they meet each other on the same road? Well, the solution to this answer may seem tough, because we are only giving a few clues and there are many variables, many like time, distance, speed. So let's first make it easier by defining that d is equal to the distance. Second, with the scale I've written here, we can define the point x on the right hand side near City 2, where the Andy and Barry meet up. So Andy has covered a total of x distance, while Barry has covered a total of d minus x. Since we know that the speed is equal to distance on time, we know that Andy's speed is equal to d on 4, because he can cover the total distance in 4 hours, and Barry's speed equals d on 6, because he can cover the total distance in 6 hours. Now we know, since we know that, we can change that the speed is equal to distance on time by transforming that into the distance is equal to t, the time, multiplied by the speed. So Andy has covered x, or dt on 4. And some of you might be wondering why he's covered dt on 4. Well, he's covered dt on 4 because the d on 4 is the speed, and this is the distance, x. And so x can be defined as we have written here, the time multiplied by the speed. So the speed is d on 4 times the times. And Barry has covered d minus x, or dt on 6. So we can miraculously here we can discover that these two distances here add up to the total distance. So we can add those up. So dt on 4 plus dt on 6 is equal to the total distance d. Usually when we can't find the two unknowns in one equation, but by a good chance the d's cancel out. So we divide everything by d, and what we get is t on 4 plus t on 6 is equal to 1. Now we know that since we can just times everything by 24, 6 times 4 to there, so you get 6t, sorry about that, plus 4t is equal to 24. So 10t is equal to 24. Therefore, the time from which Andy and Barry take to meet each other is 2.4 hours. Success box. Thank you for listening to Calero Academy Lesson 3. Notice that this problem was taken from the book Math Olympiad's Weekly Practice by Cheney. Stay tuned for more, and thank you for listening. I hope this helps you on your Math Olympiad practices. Thank you.